Good morning, everybody. Brian here, fresh off of vacation number 1, soon to be vacation number 2 coming up. But in the meantime, we're here on a Sunday morning and time for a bike ride. I'm down here. We're getting ready to head to Elmwood and cruise around down Vine Street, maybe a couple little side streets, see what we can find. Our starting point is right here at the Mill Creek down here. Kind of looks a little funky right now. Looks like there's a big old piece of trash out there too. Don't litter, kids. All right, let's go. All right, let's get over these tracks. All right, so here we are up on Vine. I think I'll head down that way. Follow that bus. Doesn't seem to be a whole lot going on a Sunday morning down here. Pretty quiet. They're scoop dogs. I've heard they're pretty good, or at least I'm reading reviews saying they're good. Not tried them yet. Up here's where there's going to be a little bit more to look at. There's the big Indian sign. So yeah, down here we got a bunch of just a bunch of car dealerships and stuff, basically. Winton County Fairgrounds over here on the right, and a car lot on the left. I have never been to a Hamilton County Fair. Now we're coming into Hartwell. Already gone through Elmwood. And we're into Hartwell here. And again, a lot more of those car dealerships around here. Alright, so here we are on Vine Street in Hartwell. And got one of the few remaining Frisch's up here. That Little Caesars is closed. And then there's a little grocery up here. There's a dispensary here on the right. On the left, this little country fresh farm market. Nice little place. They are always hiring. I'm headed into Wyoming, and yeah, we'll just keep on rolling. See what? Not much down here. Just some nice houses. A couple of cool little restaurants. Coming up down here somewhere, I'll find it when I get there, is a little bike trail that the wife and I have seen as we drive by, but I don't know where it goes. So when I find it, I'm going to take it and see where we end up. We have found it. So here is a bike trail. Let's go. It's a nice little creek. Ooh. All right, so it looks like this is part of Bike Trail 25, which I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to look that one up, see where that all goes. For now, we're gonna circle back around, and we're gonna go back from whence we came and continue on down Vine Street. Just saw a little sign that said this is the Wyoming Hike and Bike Trail. It's a 1/4 of a mile. It's a short little trail. Alright, back on the main road. Up here on the right is the Goodwill outlet store for the bins, where you can go and find a whole bunch of stuff that Goodwill didn't sell and get it for cheaper. And next to it is the Goodwill. We are here at Winton Woods. Let's head in here. This looks like a good spot to stretch my legs and get some breakfast. Of course, got one of my little bars again today. Huh. Used to have a much better view out here. It's a bit overgrown. That's all right. All right, just finished breakfast. Tasty. It's time to hit the road and go head back home. I do have to work today, but I want to get out and get a nice little ride in first thing in the morning. Looks like we've also gone, give you a little update, I'm on the e-bike, of course. We've gone 15.3 miles right now, down to 65%. All right, let's get back to going. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and end this video here. Thank you so much for riding along with me. I took a little bit of an extra route past my house because by the time I get home, I will have ridden just over 200 miles on that e-bike back there. So I'm pretty excited about that. I've only had it for a month or two. So anyway, thank you guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video once again. Join me next time where I go somewhere. Later.